Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Spocket for beginners in 2025. So the first thing that you'll need to do is basically open a browser, go to Spocket and hit the enter button. You can go and click on the first link. As you can see, the full URL is spockets.co if you want to go to it right away. So as you can see here, you'll have to go and create an account or log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and click on get started. You'll be able to start for free for 14 days if you want to try it out first before even start uh, paying as example, because as you can see, if you go to pricing, so it seems like we'll have to start your free trial so you can see the pricing, but I guess you'll be able to see it. So let me just go here to Spocket pricing. I guess we should be able to see it. So let me just go here. So as you can see, the prices might be a little bit high for specifically someone just a beginner, just starting out. So they will need this 14 days for sure to start out. So let's just go here and click on get started. I'm just going to use my Google account so I don't get through all the boring steps of creating my account as example. I'm just going here to click on continue. I'll give it all the access as example, and I should be good to go. I should be good to start. So as you can see, you can let AI build a Shopify store with trending products for just $2 example. You can go and grab your Shopify store right away. As you can see, for just $2, it's a great like offer if you want to get us. As you can see, it will end soon. So for me, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to click on no continue without it. Once I do so, as you can see, what category do you want to sell? Here, you can answer some questions so they can customize an example, your experience to match the specific stuff that you want to do. If you don't want to do that, it's totally up to you. No problem. So, an example for me, what category do you want to sell in? So, maybe an example, take accessories for me. And next, what kind of products are you looking for? So, example, you can choose US/EU suppliers, which is United States and Europe. You can choose AliExpress. You can choose white label. It's totally up to you. If you choose AliExpress example, they will tell you to install AliDrop and continue. So here you'll have to go and install this. The same will be as an example. Let me just go back. The same will be as an example for white label. You will have to go and try this one as an example and finish up with them, which it's going to be in Shopify App Store. And if you choose like, let me just go back, US and EU suppliers, you can just continue right away. So in here, once you finish with all of that, you'll have to first of all choose one of the plans that they offer. As you can see, they offer a starter plan, pro plan, empire, and unicorn. You can choose an example to pay manually or annually, sorry, if you want to pay less, especially if you're trying or committed, as an example, to work for a whole year at least. It will make a huge difference because, as an example, let's say the pro plan or monthly. If you want to pay it monthly, as an example, the pro plan will cost you $60, but annually it will cost you only like $24. If you have a coupon, you can always go and click in here and enter that coupon right away. And of course, you'll have to fill up whether it's a debit card or a Cash App as an example, and you can always go and pay. Choose your plan and pay. Of course, you can always click on claim here your trial once you finish like paying. So once you finish paying, if you choose Cash App, as you can see, you'll get this to pay. And if you choose your credit card, you will have to enter the informations of your credit card. So I just get a problem here. Anyway, I'm not planning to pay anyway. So now as an example, once you pay, you will have to come here as an example and start looking for your product as an example. So you'll have to find the product that you want to sell. And of course, you can use this search bar as an example if you want to look for specific like categories like fashion, home gadgets, and a lot of other stuff. You can also use filters to do some shipping like origin. Ship from here, as an example. Do you want it to be shipped from EU, from USA? You can use other like filters as well. So for seamless like integration or in easiest integration, you can use an example a Shopify store. You can go to shopify.com, and if you do have a store, it's going to be very, very important for you to go and use that. It's very easier like that. So as an example, I'm just going to create here a new store, show you. So all stores, create a new store. I'm just going to skip all this stuff. I don't care about it. In here, let me just go and skip the customized setup. It's better for you, of course, to go through the customized setup so they can customize basically the Shopify for you. So basically, as we said, in the meanwhile, they're creating my store. It's created already. As we said, you will have to simply just find products to sell. You will have to look for some fast shipping products basically and good margins for you so you can have some profits. So example here, if we go and click on add app, Shopify App Store, we'll have to look for the Spocket app to connect it to our Spotify. So go here and type Spocket. As you can see, here is it. Just going to click on that. And as you can see, you can simply install it. And if you go here, as you can see, you'll find the free plan if you already have like a Shopify store. Especially if you don't want to pay here right away, you'll be able to go and start for free if you do have like a Shopify store. And of course, you can find a million of products, chat support, AliExpress dropshipping. So, example, I'm just going to install it here and start using it right away. So just install it. If you want to use it from Shopify, it's going to be best for you. So as you see here, I'm just going to do again this example. I'm just going to, doesn't matter. I'm just going to click on skip, continue. So as you can see, once you use it through like Shopify, you will have to pay $0. As you said, or as you see here before, let me just go and open a new tab. So go to spockets.co. Let me just show you again. For example, if I go here and again, click on get started, I'll have just to simply log in and show you that they will show me that I'll have to pay even of the free trial. If I keep clicking continue, okay, they showed me now $0 as well. Even before, if they showed me more, I just probably because I installed it right here. Normally, like if you go back to the video, you'll probably find here $1.99 to even start the free trial. So anyway, so as I said, once we will be able to use it right there. Yes, I know because I already like claimed the trial. I can just go back here. So you can see, hi, do you want to show or to know what top Shopify stores and dropshipper are selling now? You'll be able to do and see it, of course, for $1, totally up to you. As you can see, if you want to do it. For me here, I'm just going for some tech like accessories. And as you can see here, as you said, you'll have to look for the products that suit you. Find just the products to sell. All you need to do, just look for something with a good price range, some good processing time, and some premium products like some higher quality and vetted. Of course, as we said, you can use here, see, look, premium products. As you can see here the listing costs and retail costs or retail price. You can see here like the shipping and how many days it's going to take. This like information is very important, very important for you. Make sure to choose something with the low shipping days and a good margin for you. So, as example, it should be cheap, not that cheap, but it should be like a low price so people can buy it, especially or specifically if your store is not known yet. So, as an example, let's say I like this one. I'm just going to click on add it to the import lists. I'm just looking for another like this one looks cool, like low shipping days and shipping is not that expensive. So I'm looking for low shipping stuff and not expensive shipping stuff. For example, this one as well. And yeah, I'm just going to start with the three. So once you add them to the import list, as example, you can go to this list panel and click on import lists. Here you'll find all, as you can see, the products that you added. You'll be able to edit those products however you want. So you can change, sorry, so you can change some titles, some descriptions, the price also you'll be able to change it. You'll be able to add some variants. If there are now no variants, you can even add some images, remove some images. It's totally up to you. Now it's totally on your hand to do whatever you want. You can even ask AI to write you some stuff, but I guess they will ask you for more money, for some money. I'm not sure. You can use free AI tools like ChatGPT and ask them as an example to write your description. It's totally up to you. You can give them just some images and you can even create some images using AI. So now, once you finish and edit all the stuff that you want, you can push all or push specific like items one by one. So for me, I'm just going to click here on push all. Yes, push all. And as you can see, once it's pushed, you should be good to go. So let me just go here and wait. Of course, in the meantime, I can go to my Shopify store, go to this list panel, click on product. And as you can see, the three items are pushed to my store. Here they are. If I go click on it, I'll be able even to edit them here if I want to. And I can even go on this list panel to my online store, click on this icon. And if I scroll down, because I still didn't make any changes to my store, it's the default one. So as you can see, I'll find it right here, but I'll find my, as you can see, products right here. I can go and click on them and see like people that they can buy them. So add to carts, buy it now, and etc. So as you can see, very simple. You can also, if you want, set some pricing rules. It's optional, but it's smart to do so. You can go and set some automatic profit margins, like times two or less $10 markup. It's totally up to you. And basically, when you get an order right now in your store, Spocket auto syncs the order. You will just get a notification and you pay the supplier for the item. and they ship it to your customer under your brand. Some, of course, allow branded invoices. So, what you can do now is just look for a good product to add to your store and you should be good to go. Of course, you can go here to this left panel, always click on orders, and you'll be able to keep real-time track about the orders that you have at the moment. You'll be always to go here and click on synchronize orders, of course. It will not make any difference if you're just like listed the items. But as an example, you can always, once you come here, click on synchronize. If something is just like happens now, it will show there. And yeah, you should be good to go. Here you'll be able to track your orders and customers will get shipping info automatically, and you can just monitor the progress in your dashboard. So if you see everything is going well, I would advise you to think about an upgrade because free plan will just let you some limited products. Paid plans unlock premium products, branded invoices, and faster shipping. So what to watch out for is basically don't sell some junk with no profits. Shipping time, just avoid China shipping unless you're targeting patients. And order samples if you are serious. And order some samples and try them out. If they are good, you can simply add them. And yeah, know the supplier policies. Some just don't accept them. So know them before doing so. You can also use some Ali scraper if you want to buy Spockets, for example, if you want to import from AliExpress. Build your own store around the niche. Don't sell everything. As an example, you can build a store about just the tech, as I'm doing. Use some clean product description and real photos, and run some smart ads. Don't just blow money before you test. Test stuffs, do some testing ads, and then you can start doing them. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you again in the next video. Goodbye.